Good morning to IC members. I, Anil Kumar Singh, Principal, A&Dev Public School, Khalpura, Chhapra, Saran. Welcome to IC members, Dr. Manimala Rai, Convener, Bashwe, Inter School, Dwarka, New Delhi, and Ved Kumar Mishra, Member, DPS, Panchvati, Bareilly. I also welcome to Observer CBSE New Delhi.
मैं अवनीश कुमार सिंह, स्पेशल एजुकेटर. I am the responsible person for taking you to a guided tour of the entire school. Let us come. The person enters our campus, gives us a visit, we introduce them and mention their details in the visitors register, and we have all their details written over here. I'll be taking you to a guided tour of all classrooms, starting with few classrooms of class 11th and 12th who are having their exam right now. Let us enter one such examination. Now we'll move to the second classroom. Now I'm taking you to the examination room for class 12. Let us enter. Two sample classrooms that you have seen are part of our front building. Now we'll also be showing you some vacant classroom that we have in this building, which in a way, whenever we have exams and require surplus classrooms. So next up, we'll be showing you some vacant classroom, and we'll also be showing you the toilet blocks both for boys in this front building that we have. Let us go. There are two separate toilet rooms for both boys and girls. I am taking you to one such toilets which is designated for boys. Come. As you can see that we have numerous toilets and that this is very well spaced, and this ensures that like the availability of space ensures that we maintain the hygiene and that students face no difficulty during their class period. Now I will be showing you the toilet block for girls in our front building. Please come. Like the toilet room that we have upstairs, even this room which is for girls is even more well built and is even more hygienic, as you can, as it will be shown to you in a short. You can see this is one such very well lit and a big, like comfortably spaced classroom that we will be using in times to come. Just have a look at it. Taking you to one of our classrooms from middle school, that is class 7. Just have a look at how the teacher is teaching and how the students are undergoing their studies at our school.
बचपन की याद को दोहराया है और बचपन की याद को दोहराते हुए विवेक अशोक कुमार सिंह हिंदी शिक्षक और कविता पढ़ाने आजा मेरे बचपन आ गया।
Now I will be taking you to 10E. Please come.
मनुष्य में चेतना शक्ति की प्रबलता पाई जाती है और चेतना जितने सृष्टि में जीव जंतु हैं उसमें चेतना केवल किसको दिया गया? मनुष्य को। और चेतना का क्या आप अर्थ स्पष्ट करेंगे? यानी ये सभ्य रहेंगे, सभ्यता से रहेंगे, कपड़े पहनेंगे, ये संस्कारी होंगे। तो चेतना इनको दी गई, वह अपने ही नहीं।
I'll be taking you to class 10A, where our senior teacher Shri Manish Kumar Srivastav is taking a class in English. Please come.
So, in these days, my name is Manish Kumar Srivastav. I am here joined as a PGT English, and I am read the class 10, and my topic is A Long Walk to Freedom about Nelson Mandela.
Okay. I'll be taking you to class 9E, where one of our teachers is teaching social science and in specific the chapter on democracy. Please come. Now the teacher will introduce himself and then you will have a look around the class.
Yes, myself Sanjeev Tiwari from AMD Public School, Khalpura, Saran. I am going to teach a very interesting topic, democracy.
The main building, and now I will be showing you the girls' toilet unit. Please come. इसका ये रिकॉर्डिंग ले लेंगे. I will be taking you to the boys' toilet unit of our main building. Have a look. बेसिन का नीचे से ना दिखाइएगा. बेसिन ऊपर ऊपर है. We will be showing you our mathematics lab, where our senior mathematics teacher Shri Nityanand Giri is present, and he will be giving you a tour of our mathematics lab. Please come.
Myself is Nityanand Giri, MSc, GT, and this is math labs, and I introduced with you. These are geometrical sets of different types of. This is hollow and solid cylinders. These are spheres. These are GeoGebras, different types of shapes. And we can also say this is the pentagonal sides, polygons. We also introduce. And this is small sides of cube. Here we can also introduce the cubes, and many types of unit lengths of cube can be present in the each surface, and wall also can be introduced with the wedge. Let's say for the example, each side has 5 cubes, so total in the cubes as 125 cubes appear whose length is units. Such that we also come here. This is the solid cylinders. It has a curved surface, letter surface, a plane surface, and this is the lots of cubes. Sectors, we can also form the circle. This is the shape of semicircles. These are cylinders, etc. These are watch to introduce with the small watch.
Thank you.
This is the stock register. For this instrument can be listed here. Thank you.
इधर I'll be taking you to one of our well-maintained labs, and which is very well equipped, and I will also be introducing you to both of our physics teachers in physics lab. Please come.
Namaskar, I am Manoj Kumar Singh, PGT, and I want to introduce all these apparatus and all my physics lab. Please come with me. My colleague.
Hi, good morning. I'm Amrita Singh, TGT Physics here. Here we are operates, where we operates some experiments, and these are the
Breeze and optical bench. Students are operating with this on the prism and
this is rectangle.
yes, and all these about meter base we are measuring the unknown resistance by using this meter base. Come to this side. So here also the same we are doing. This one is our Newtonian disc. Students are enjoying. And this one is moving galvanometer. And this one is our optical bench and potentiometer as well as. I would like to introduce all the. See, I am having. These are the various apparatus we are keeping for our students, and all of our students are just performing practical nicely, and we are there for their support. All these things are there, present, and all everything we are having. See, in electricity, we are having various apparatus. Students are operating and getting a lot of knowledge regarding physics. Yeah. Yeah. Students preparing for their files, their writing, all that they're writing, the various practicals, the project and activities, everything. We are having some new equipments we are having in our lab. All these equipments we are having. This one is the stock register we are maintaining each and every bit of apparatus here, and accordingly it is totally up to date, and this makes us convenient for the calculation of all of our apparatus.
This one is big balance.
अरे वो बस 30 सेकंड 1 मिनट का फुटेज बनता है. आ जाते ऊपर वाला नीचे करना होगा. I will be taking you to the chemistry lab and introducing you to both our chemistry teachers who will be showing you around the internet lab, all the equipments that we have, the stock register. Please come.
I am chemistry teacher of this school in PGT, and I am showing that there are a large number of chemicals are present in this slot, which are related to 10th and 12th standards, and a large number of apparatus also present in this slot, and this is also devices for the preparation of ammonia gases devices, and burette, pipette, etc. are also present in this burette in this slot, and I am going to be present.
My name is Akhilesh Kumar Singh. I am the chemistry teacher of A&D Public School, Khalpura, Chhapra. It is the record of chemistry lab. All instruments and chemicals are here is writing. Many chemicals or apparatus of practical. It is burette, it is beaker, it is a stand of test tubes and cell.
And result lab, and also several chemicals are present and that side. And I am going to introduce in
Physical balance.
Please come here.
There are many stands and there is a physical stands and basins. And here are the almirah of temple.
And a lot more chemicals are also present in this silver nitrate, acetic acid, glacial acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, and silver nitrate solution, and phenol, and also many chemical substances are present in this.
Now, I'll be taking you to the biology lab where students do all sorts of experiments to enhance their learning of science. And as we know that learning through experiments and through activities is also part of competency-based learning, which has been emphasized a lot under the new education policy. Now, I'll be introducing you to our biology teacher, and she will be giving you a whole view of our biology lab. Please come. Meet our biology teacher, Madam Akanksha Sahai. Have a conversation.
Good morning. This is Akanksha Sahai, and I am a PGT science teacher here. This is our lab. This is our biology lab. Here you can see that these are the charts available here. These are the apparatus that using microscopes, students can learn and explore the related topics to their subjects, and they can clear all about their concepts, their doubts related to their lesson chapters. Right? As you can see, these are the chemicals related to the science lab. These are the specimens available here. I will show you. These are the specimens, slides where students can learn the cells and their structures using microscope. They can learn about the cells and the structures and the microbiology related to the topics. Yeah, here you can see in our lab, this is the stock register where we can maintain. Yeah, we can maintain all the items related to the biology lab here. Of our students, where they can, these are the experiments done by them. You can just check this.
इतना सारा रोड करके किया था।
Now we'll be taking you to our fine arts room where we have specimens of different drawings by students, some artworks, and where our arts teacher, fine arts teacher will be giving you a tour of the room. Please come.
My name is Mr. Rajendra Kumar. Here I am a fine art teacher. Designation is my PGT. Here these are being made by the students. There is a fine art. These are in modern art. These are modern art here.
Sir, आनंद वो I'll be showing you our computer lab, which is very well equipped, updated, and is connected with internet. Please come.
My name is Munna sir, computer teachers. This is the computer lab. ये 2 मिनट हो गया।
ढूंढने के बाद तो कोई देख सकता है। वो वेबसाइट एक बार का वेबसाइट देखिएगा, एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास अपडेटेड वेबसाइट। I'll be taking to our music cum instrument room. Please come. Meet our music teacher.
मैं म्यूजिक टीचर हूँ, मेरा नाम सुनीता कुमारी है। टीटीटी मतलब ये शिक्षक है। मेरा ये स्टॉक रजिस्टर है।
वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे।
I'll be taking you to our school library, where students visit once every week, and from where they issue books for their studies and for all other purposes. Please come.
The mother is asking to her to be.
Yes, yes, yes.
I am
Amit Kumar Lal, librarian in public school. Today is Saturday and I am seeing the report of issued books and returned books. नीचे में पेपर
Now I'll be showing you our recreation from indoor sports room where you will be interacting with both our physical teachers. Please come.
Hello, me Durgesh Kumar, physical education teacher.
Sir. नाम
रुपेश कुमार चौबे, फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर। स्कूल का जिसमें हम लोग सारा यहाँ के जो भी हमारे खेल उपकरण है बाकी चीज़ों को इसमें मेंटेन किया जाता है।
थैंक यू। हो गया यार बच्चों का कॉम्प्लीकेट करने बच्चे होते हैं ना समझना मुश्किल हो जाता है।
कागज
बहुत अच्छा।
Start.
Now, I'll be taking you to our first aid room where students get treated, they take rest whenever they are injured or are not feeling comfortable. We also have ties with reputed hospitals, and we also have a government hospital in our village. So whenever there is an emergency or a critical care is needed, we provide all our support to the students for ensuring their safety. Please come inside and have a look. Very good. Now, I'll be taking you to our principal's office where Shri Anil Kumar Singh, our esteemed principal, is sitting and discussing few modalities for the coming week with one of our teachers. Just have a look.
Anil Kumar Singh, Principal, A&M Public School, Khalpura, Chhapra.
Presence of mind होता है.
Swap.
Now I'll be taking you to our staff room for men's teacher, where teachers generally sit and have their rest whenever there is a free period or during their recess or any other time whenever they are doing their official duty. Please come. After having visited the male staff room, I'll be showing you the staff room for all our female teachers. We are in the multi-purpose hall of our school, which we use for cultural activities and for all other activities where we have student gatherings and their parents across several events throughout the year. Just have a look around.